today I will tell you about what wakes a volcano up. A volcano wakes up when a hot running rock called magma creeps up and up and up through cracks, then bang! The volcano explodes or erupts. The magma bursts out. It's called an active volcano, guys. Then the dormant one is still sleeping. But don't be fooled, guys, because if the magma inside finds a way to the surface, the volcano will wake up with a crash. A extinct one doesn't have any magma inside. That means it won't erupt again or explode. That is all. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Agastya Agung Agastya. Goodbye.